Hey ladies, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two looks. The first look is going to be space buns with curly hair, and the second look is going to be a messy bun look. So if you want to take a look at how we achieve these hairstyles, keep watching. So first you're going to start with freshly washed hair, and you're just going to comb it out. Mine's been air dried or blow dried. And then you want to part your hair for the space bun look. And you want your part as straight as possible. And you're really going to see how much I struggled in this section because I could not get my part straight. So, superhero to the rescue, my lovely husband came to help me part my hair. And little Jefferson, our whole family's in one shot, but he wouldn't sit still, so he's got to go. Now you're going to see literally how much of a perfectionist my husband is. This took 8 minutes. I had to cut it down so much because he wanted the line so straight and perfect. But now once you have your hair parted, you're going to take one section and put it to the side just so it's out the way. And the other side that you're working on, you want to brush it up into a bun. My trick is you want it to be high and you want the buns to kind of be close so that they don't look like horns. They look more like buns. Do you get what I'm saying? As I'm working my hair up into the ponytails, I'm using the Cantu curling cream. You can use whatever helps you get your hair up into a ponytail, but this just works for me. And you want your ponytail as sleek and as flat as possible. Now once you have both of your buns, you're going to start working in this curly hair. And of course the curly hair is from Her Legacy Hair Company. Now this part is fun. You want to put the bobby pin at the end of the weft. And as you can see, my weft is doubled or folded in half, as my husband likes to say. And you start to put that bobby pin right at the base of your ponytail holder. And you just wrap it around. And I like to wrap mine as tight as possible just to make sure I don't have any track slips later on throughout the day. Now this curly hair is the same curly hair from the invisible ponytail look, and I'm gonna put a card right up above so you can go take a look at that video. But it's pretty much the same concept. Once you have all your hair wrapped around, you're gonna secure it with the bobby pin. And I took one extra bundle and I repeated the same process on my other ponytail. These are great hairstyles when you're in between sew-ins and you just want to kind of give your hair a break, but you don't actually want a physical sew-in. Or if you're a natural girl and you want an alternative look, you want to add some dimension to your hair. These are some really good hairstyles for that. Okay, so now that you have both bundles in, you're gonna twist one side of the hair and you're just gonna make it into a bun. You can do a neat bun. I kind of like mine a little bit messy because it looks like you didn't try, but you really did try because it took me some time. And once the bun is in place, you just wanna secure it with a bobby pin. And you're just gonna do that to both sides. To go along with the messy look, I kind of pull some curls out, and I'm using some of that curling cream that I used to put my hair into the ponytails, my real hair, and I just like to twist it around with my finger just so the curls are more pronounced. And now I'm going in on my edges and I'm using Cream of Nature Edge Control. You can use anything that you want, and if you already have baby hairs, then you can skip this step. And just like that, there you have it, your space buns with curly hair. I had to pose for the camera a bit. They're so cute. Now, if this look is a bit much for you, some people say it's a little childish, we're going with look number 2. And I know all that hard work and I'm taking it right back down, but I wanted to show you guys how to do another look. So I keep the part in the middle of my head, but I brush everything else up into a ponytail. I didn't need my husband for this part. And ladies, these looks are so easy and quick to do. The first look might have taken me 15 minutes, and this look that I'm doing right now is even quicker. I would just say maybe 10 minutes because pretty much my edges were already gelled down and ready to go. It's so easy if you need a quick hairstyle. And just like the space buns, we're literally repeating the same process. We're putting a bobby pin at the end of the bundle. We're sticking that bobby pin into the base of the ponytail, and we're wrapping it around just like the space buns. And for the messy bun look that I'm doing right now, I did use 2 bundles of our Indian curly hair just to make my bun a little bit bigger and more defined. And as always, you're gonna secure your hair in with bobby pins. They are your best friends for these hairstyles. All right, and for the last step, you're gonna move all your hair to one side and you're gonna start making it into a bun. As you can see, some of my real hair is sticking up, but once you twist your bun, you're gonna be able to hide all of that so no one will ever be able to know it's not yours, honey. And there you have it, a messy bun look with curly hair. So those are both looks that I've done for you, the space buns and the messy buns. I think they're so cute and so fun and easy. And of course, you can get this hair at herlegacyhair.com. Alright, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below which hairstyle you like the best, and subscribe for more. We'd love to bring more content to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.